How to log into ESPN Plus to watch live sports. In order to log into ESPN and watch live sports, you could use the ESPN app or the ESPN.com. If you want to use the app, you could simply install it. So go to your app store, type in ESPN Plus, and you could go ahead and install this app. So I'm going to actually use the web version. So just exit out, open any browser that you have on your device, and on the search bar, simply type in ESPN Plus. This way, you will be able to find the official link, that is plus.espn.com. So now select the login button and you have to enter in your credentials. So you could simply go ahead and enter in your email, and you also have to type in your password. In order to watch live sports, you just want to make sure to go to the menu, and over here you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the sports. This is where you could find your all sports. You could go ahead and select the sports, and this way you will be able to find the live sports on the section. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.